A pleasant morning to all the students. Very outset wishes on your CT performance. Chetan Pinto is our proud student who has proved himself to be excellent in the field of sports. Uh, by now, you clearly have an idea that VCT is giving platform for all the kind of talents. It's not only academics, but for that matter, maybe extracurricular activities. One among that is sports. It keeps you fit and healthy by physical health, and it leads to your mental health and happiness. Uh, Association to Chetan is from his very first year as his mentor, academic counselor, and academic advisor. Had a close association with him. Uh, in fact, a proud moment for me to introduce himself, sorry, to introduce him to you all on this particular platform when he reached his final year. Uh, he is a very good performer in the field of sports. He have represented our institution at various level of competitions. Having a keen interest to this particular field, he is very much into athletics. He is known to be uh, uh, pioneer sprinter. Okay, his field of performance is 200 meter, 400 meter, and 4 into 400 meter relay sprinter, and he's well known for that particular performance. Apart from that, a very special with Chetan is he's a very good writer. I don't know when you are aware or not. His very speciality is his writing towards Kannada writings. He writes greatly. In fact, he have given his input as a content developer for many columnists of reputed newspapers, which he has been doing from his very first year of engineering. That means from the age of 15 or 16, he is a good writer as well. Having no lag in academics, Chetan have proved himself in all the fields, that is starting from academics, sports, and extracurricular activities. So that's the reason we approached him to present a presentation on VTU sports activity, what actually is the whereabout, its whereabouts in VCT. Happily, he have agreed our invitation, and he is here to present about VCT, VTU sports activity. Thank you, Chetan, and over to you. Have a good day, students. Yes, Chetan, I think you can proceed.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Hello, juniors. I hope everyone is healthy and safe. I would like to start a session with a thought. You can achieve anything in life. It is just depends on how desperate you are to achieve it. First of all, I would like to thank all of you for giving the opportunity to share my experience in VCT sports team. Myself, Chetan Pinto from 7th Department of Civil. Basically, I am from Chikmagalur. I was a state level athlete in 200 meter, 400 meter, and 4 into 400 meter relay. When I was entering to the engineering life, I thought that there may not be a sports in engineering life. But when I was joined VCT, my thought was wrong. PD Balchandra sir has informed that there is sports, there is plenty opportunity in sports for you and can be a part of the sports team. PD Balchandra sir is a very good coach and is an amazing person. He was the national medalist in pole vault and national amazing person, and he was the national medalist in pole vault and other sports. And also he trained more than 10 national level athletes. When PD sir come to our class and asked about their interest in sports, then he selected some students and I was among them. My first VTU state level athlete meet was held at Chikballapura, and we are the runner up. During the sports practice time, I saw the stars of our college in sports. There are some students and alumni who has made achievement in sports and share their opinions about VCT sports team. He is Mohammad Yusuf Bulbule, alumni of VCT. He is from Belgaum. His achievements are gold medal in VTU weightlifting in Tumkur 2017, silver medalist in decathlon in state level athletic meet, bronze medal in VTU powerlifting competition, and selected as a VTU Kabaddi team captain and participated in South Zone Inter-University Kabaddi tournament held at Chennai. And he passed his engineering with the aggregate of 74.89%. And he also got silver medal in decathlon in Chikballapura, gold medal in 4 into 400 meter relay, 4 into 100 meter relay, silver medalist in decathlon, javelin throw, and selected as a captain of VTU team. He gave a message for you. VTU Sports realized as we are not only becoming engineers, but we can also present out VCT and VTU in national level championship and can win medal also. All the best juniors. And next guy is Suwas PM, alumni of VCT. He is a great swimmer. He won more than 20 VTU state level swimming championship, represented VTU in All India University Swimming Championship, one of the top 5 ranked state level swimmers. And he got two silver medals in Kalo India University Games, more than 20 medals in state and national level events. He was PM from CS branch. Adarsh Shastri is currently working in Infosys. He is also from CS department. He broke VTU record twice in a triple jump, represented VTU twice in All India University Athletic Meet, represented Karnataka State in national level long jump and triple jump twice, gold medal in 4 into 400 meter relay. He is Nikhil G. We call as a Pili. Pili means tiger. He ran like a tiger. He also won 4 into 400 meter bronze medalist, 400 meter hurdles gold medal and silver medalist, 4 into 100 meter gold medalist, and 400 meter bronze medalist. He gave a message to you. I am very thankful to our beloved PD and all staff members for all their supports. Hope you all guys make us of our sports facilities and make our college proud. This is Lakshmi Shah. He is the walk racer, gold medalist in VTU race in walking in 2018 and selected for national level athletic meet, bronze medalist in race walking in 2019. Pratik Gowda, science and mechanical engineering. His achievements is 2 times gold medalist in VTU 110 meter hurdles and selected for the national level athletic meet and participated in state level high jump. He gave a message, use the opportunity to show your talents in sports. Come on, let's together bring the bring pride to our college. These people are who made college our proud. Sangeeta, two, 2 times silver medalist in 5000 meter race. Suraj Rai, bronze medal in 110 meter hurdles. Nachiketam, gold medalist in 25-kilometer walk. Pooja, silver medalist in discus throw.
Chetan, just a minute.
Yes,
I would like to interrupt you. Have you displayed the next slide? Now it is in the slide of Nikhil G.
yes, ma'am.
Then there is a lag. Now Nikhil G, that slide is being displayed. Students,
Yes, ma'am.
what do you see on the slide?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You are explaining this slide itself?
Slide is not changing.
No, ma'am.
No.
Yeah, ma'am.
Now
Slide is
it
Ma'am,
changing.
slide is changing, ma'am.
Changing, ma'am.
Then maybe
Slide is changing.
okay, fine. Then maybe it's from my end. Okay, Chetan, continue.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತಾ next? He is Nachiket, gold medalist in 25 km walk. Pooja, silver medalist in discus throw. And Pavan, VTU Kabaddi team captain and represented South Zone Inter-University match. Rahul Achar, we called him as Batkala, and he is the 4 into 100 meter relay gold medalist and bronze medalist. Vinyas Chauta, he is currently working in Bangalore. He is a civil engineer. He got a 400-meter hurdles in gold medal. This is me. Bronze medal in 4 into 400 meter relay, and twice qualified for final in 400 meter. These are the some unforgettable memories in sports meet. After that, my second state level athletic meet was held at Bidar. Unfortunately, we lost our championship just by only 1 point, and it is very emotional moment for me. And again, we are the runner-up in that meet. Next, VCT Sports has made a benchmark on VTU Sports. We added from them like ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರು ವಿ ಸಿ ಅವ್ರು ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಲ್ತೂಲೆ ವಿ ಸಿ ಸರ್ಕ್ಲ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲೇರು ಎಡ್ಡೆ ಟೀಮ್ ಉಂಡಕ್ಲನ ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ದೇ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಫೀಲ್ ಪ್ರೌಡ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಇಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ VCT Sports Day. Our college would conduct a sports meet annually. Many students would participate in that and shows their talent. It is the one of the best opportunity you will get to show the talent and get into the VCT sports team. Main attraction of this event is it is based on the branch. Which branch is accumulating the more points will be the champion. Next, we have a mini version of IPL in our college too, named as VCL. It is Vivekananda Cricket League. It is a auction similar like to IPL. 6 teams fight for a champion title. VCT cricket team also found a player who played well in VCL. Along with VCL, we also host VCT Pro Kabaddi tournament. It is also consists of 6 teams. It is also a mini version of Pro Kabaddi. This is the main team. This is the VTU team of VTU University team. It is represented our VTU University in South Zonal Inter-University Sports Meet at Chennai. Thank you. Every year we conduct a VCT Pro Kabaddi League, VCL volleyball match, and as well as a sports day. But due to this pandemic since 2 years, we are not able to conduct these events. We are hoping for the best for next year. You have got many opportunities to show your talents in your sports. Don't miss these opportunities. My personal opinion about VCT, as we enter the engineering, everyone will have the mindset that I have to do projects, internship, and presentation, and so on. Along with its studies, extracurricular activities is also very important in engineering life. We can gain the knowledge by this studying, and we can bring out our talents through extracurricular activities, and we can improve it. So in this matter, VCT Sports has a opportunity for students, and we even get a funds from VTU. So many students don't expose their talents and don't take a part in extracurricular activities. But you should participate. If you have made any achievement in past, you can continue that over here. Also, you will get all support from our college staff and management. Once again, I thank you for this opportunity, and have a nice day. Thank you.
Okay, thank